Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
If the customer pays you more than is due, you can enter the entire amount received into the Receive Payments window. The amount left over after you have applied the entire amount to outstanding invoices appears in the Overpayments section in the bottom left corner of the Receive Payments window. You can then select an option button shown in this area to indicate what you want QuickBooks to do with this overpayment. You can select the Leave this credit to be used later option button to receive the money and issue a customer credit in the amount of the overpayment, or select the Refund the amount to the customer option button to issue a refund check to the customer when you save the transaction. Select your desired option button, and then click either the Save and Close or Save and New buttons to save the transaction window and either generate a credit or issue a refund check. If you choose to issue a credit to the customer for the amount overpaid, you can apply that credit to future invoices for that specific customer or customer job, and only that specific customer or customer job. You can also issue the customer a refund check later on for the amount overpaid if it turns out they will not be needing the credit for any future invoices.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.